So if you want to stop rushing in the morning, then set up one of these in your room.
But guys, here I did a very big mistake before I put in the next shelf.
Hello everyone, my name is Nayasa and welcome to my channel. And guys, today I have something interesting to show you guys, to all the men out there. Guys, your room looks great, but where do you keep all your watches, your perfumes, your accessories, your shades and your skincare products? Are they just lying around your house? That's ruining your vibe, bro. Well guys, today I'm going to fix all of that mess once and for all. Because guys, I found this affordable, sleek looking drawer cabinets, and that too with wheels. And trust me guys, this is a total game changer for organizing all the men's fashion accessories and essentials. So we will do unboxing of this drawer cabinet, we will assemble it, we will use it, we will see how much we can put inside of this, because it looks like it has lots of storage. It has 5 drawers and I am very excited about this storage guys, because I had ordered this drawer cabinets long back. They took a long time to come. They got delayed and finally it came. So it kept me waiting for a long time guys. One more thing I want to tell you guys, that this is not a paid review. I have actually bought this product. It has cost me 2599 rupees. I was looking for a storage with wheels guys, and this is the only storage that I came across. I was searching and finally I found it, so I ordered it right away. It is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only, and remember to press that hype button to give points for my video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Welcome back guys. Before we do the unboxing of this cabinet, there's one thing that I want to tell you guys. Whatever I show you in this video, whatever I wear in this video, I will try to put a link of it in the description or on the screen here. You can definitely go there and check them out by yourself. See if it will help you, and if it can help you guys, then you know what to do. So without any further ado, let's do the unboxing of this cabinet. So come close.
Okay guys, so here's the box. Let's open it quickly and let's see what is inside. Now guys, when this box came to my house, everybody in the neighborhood came to know what I have ordered. I had a very bad experience with the delivery guys. First of all, this box came like this, and secondly guys, this box got delayed now for so many days. It was supposed to reach long back, but it kept on delaying, and finally I received the product. So this is how it is inside the box guys. So I will take the entire thing out and I will assemble it right here in front of you. As you guys can see, there is nothing else in the box. So I will keep the box on the side now, and I will start to unwrap this roller cabinet. Now as I was unwrapping, the cabinet looked nice and premium guys, believe me. The plastic was solid, but there's one thing that I noticed, and that is guys, the top part of this roller cabinet was chipped off. As you guys can see, this part of the cabinet is kind of broken, but guys, I will not send it back because I need this cabinet anyhow. Before that, I will check all the other parts of this cabinet if they are okay. If everything looks fine, then I will keep this cabinet because I don't want to delay anymore. I want to organize my stuff guys, and I don't want to delay anymore by organizing. Now just look at the drawers guys. The drawers also look nice and premium. If the entire cabinet was of white color, it would be even more better, but this is the only option that I saw on the internet guys. That's why I ordered it right away. Now when I took out the second drawer, this is what I got inside of the drawer, which are the poles and the wheels. I was thinking of this only. I was concerned about the poles of this roller cabinet. I could not see them anywhere, so here they are, and in the end these are the shelves guys. So come on now, let's start to assemble the roller cabinet. So I will try to do it as quickly as I can. The first thing that I will put in place are the wheels. So here are the wheels guys, as you guys can see. I don't know how smooth they are. We'll check that out once we put them on the roller cabinet and once we try rolling them. But at the moment, let's assemble this table as quickly as we can. So here I have installed all the 4 wheels. How easy it was, you guys saw that. You just have to plug them in and that's it guys. No rocket science added to it. At the moment on the table, the wheels look nice and smooth, but still there is absolutely no weight on them guys. We can only find out about that when there is a good amount of weight put on the cabinet. So now after every shelf there will be 4 poles like this that we have to plug in. You just have to press them in and that's it guys. Then you will have to put the next shelf. But guys, here I did a very big mistake. Before I put in the next shelf, I should put in the drawer, because the drawer doesn't come out fully. It has a locking mechanism. You will have to lift the shelf completely to take the entire drawer out if you want to, but the drawer doesn't come out entirely guys. Then I will put the next 4 poles and I will put the next shelf. Till here I didn't know guys that I should put the drawer first only inside. I went on assembling the cabinet. I kept on putting the shelves. Then suddenly I decided to check by putting the drawer inside, and then I came to know guys that the drawer doesn't come out all the way because it has a locking mechanism right here. As you guys can see, there's a pole here which stops the drawer from coming out completely. So if you want to take the drawer out completely, then you will have to lift the cabinet along with the poles. You will have to disconnect it and then you will have to slide the drawer out. So that was one thing that confused me guys, but I enjoyed rest of the assembling. So here I'm almost done with the assembling guys. Once we assemble this cabinet, we'll take it out and we'll see how it actually looks in the daylight guys. So this is how the drawers come out from the cabinet. They slide out nicely and smoothly. So guys, now we will start to put things in the cabinet. Let's see guys how much and what we can store in this cabinet. So in the first drawer I put all the skincare and grooming products. As you guys can see how nicely they fit inside here. In the second drawer I put all the accessories like purse, watches and all that stuff, and sunglasses. In the third drawer I put the massagers and my riding gloves. In the fourth drawer I put the sewing kit, my cutter, my hair cutting machine and all that stuff. And in the last drawer I kept my white sneakers. Now video on these white sneakers is coming soon on this channel, so keep the channel subscribed and you can easily keep this rolling cabinet in any corner of your house like this. So guys, it is just isn't about what you wear, it is how you access it daily. This will keep everything visible, organized and dust free. So if you want to stop rushing in the morning, then set up one of these in your room. Don't just upgrade your wardrobe guys, upgrade your fashion workflow.
Hey guys, what's this?
Oh, it's a new roller organizer that I have ordered.
It's nice and sturdy.
Yes, it's really sturdy.
5 drawers which are really spacious.
Yes, it has nice space.
You can put my makeup, my jewelry, my perfumes. Oh, it has wheels as
What do you
well.
mean?
Something that
Yes, it has nice wheels.
Something that I've been really looking for. This is the best thing for me. I'll put my stuff and start using it right away. Thanks.